So good evening everyone, this is Kenny here and today we'll be going to Jatujak Bangkok street food. I'll be going to Thailand. So I'm actually in Ara Damansara, Petaling Jaya. So let's go. So we are now at Ara Damansara. This Jatujak Bangkok street food is actually the shop located at the corner. You can't miss it, just waste. And I'm here on Saturday night. You look at the crowd, man. So if you want to come, you better book. So the street is actually, this is the street. Let me show you. So this is PJU 1A/3J. We are Jalan PJU 1A/3J. Outside and it's about 9 o'clock. This is the Thai pandan tea and this is the clear tom yum, right? Yeah. And of course this clear tom yum I think is white rice. Next is the som tam. This is green papaya salad. Look at the prawns they're giving. Yeah, go ahead. So this is the seafood. Look at the amount of seafood. You need to have the soup lah, you know, cannot, right? Oh, the next one is the, okay, this is pucuk paku. Oh, that is sweet. We ordered the clear tom yum today. The ferns look good, man. Wow, look at that. This looks like teppanyaki. What, the fried one? Tempura, sorry. Looks like tempura. Wow. Okay, so this is the sauce. The sauce supposed to add into this. This is the dipping sauce, not add into it. Okay, wait . So this is the mushroom. This is the kangkong. Both is tempura style, and this is the dipping sauce. Let's start with my favorite, tom yum. Tom yum not very spicy. Tom yum not very spicy. Sour. Yeah, sour. It's more on the sour side. Yeah, sour. It's more on the sour side. Definitely will read your appetite. Som tam. So, you go to Thailand, this food is a must. Som tam. In here is not spicy. You will taste a lot more sour side actually for this food here. Next dish we ordered is this one is the pork rib, right? Lemongrass pork rib. Wow, look at that, man. Look at the colors. Beautiful. Yes, pork rib. Pork rib. I ordered this two. Okay, this is spicy. After tasting so many sour, this is spicy. You pair it with white rice, then just so good. Next one is the omelette.
My favorite uncle got here. I take one meat, two veggie. He also just start to sell.
So this omelette here, inside here got minced pork. So there's a few types of omelette you can order. Crab, prawn, you want to mince what, you can mince lah. Look at that. Now I'm trying the omelette. This omelette here. So I'm going to pair this with white rice. Nicely wrapped, the layers are there, nice, thick, good. So if you are around the corner, do waste yourself to Jatujak Bangkok street food. Alright? See you in the next video. Bye bye.